it's Claudia coming at you with the latest contents of the winter box from the Live the Adventure Club from Explore magazine. I'm here to unbox the contents and let's take a look what's inside. We've got a handy Slim Jim to keep your protein up when you're out skiing or doing winter walking or hiking or snowshoeing. A handy dandy foldable camp saw, which I'm obviously not going to use right now on this picnic table. More outdoor tools like this camp axe, which is small and comes with a great cover to keep you and the axe safe. A thermos to keep you warm with all of your favorite hot beverages. An adventure journal to keep track of all of your fantastic adventures. And this really unique product, the Karmic Outdoors Lost and Found decal that you can put on anything that's precious that you're afraid of that you might lose, like your skis or your toboggan or any of your kids' items that you can find afterwards. And this fabulous reflective accoutrement that you can put on your arm for when you're taking the dog for a walk or if you're out night skiing. So you can get more information about the Explore magazine's Live the Adventure box right here.